is Heather. Welcome, boys and girls. I'm so excited to have you back and to be celebrating your first day of school. I'm so happy that the Montpelier Regional Library here at Montpelier is creating a craft. And we are so excited to welcome you guys back to school. I have a story about a bus, and it's his first time going back to school, and he's a little timid about what needs to happen. So let's go ahead and read this book, and then we're going to finish out our time together with a fun craft that helps us practice our name. So this book is called It's Your First Day of School, Busy Bus. It says Busy Bus. And it's by Jody Jensen Schaefer and Claire Messer. They wrote the stories. This book was written by Beachling Books from New York and many other countries. It says London, Toronto, Sydney, and New Delhi. So lots of people your age all over the world have read this book. Ben, the bus driver, goes and opens the door to the bus barn. Good morning, everyone, he says. Busy Bus, it's your first day of school. Busy Bus is wide awake. He can't wait to meet the children. He hopes they will like him. It says busy here. So here it says Bossy Bus, Zippy Bus, Bouncy Bus, Big Bus, and this is Busy Bus, but notice he doesn't have a name tag. Let's make sure you're ready to go, says Ben. So he's got a little checklist here to make sure he's all ready to go. He measures the air in Busy Bus's tires. Psst. He fills Busy Bus's tank with gas. Goosh. Look, he's smiling. Just like you get ready in the morning, you brush your hair, put on your socks. He swivels Busy Bus's mirrors. Now we can see everything, he says. Busy Bus hopes the children will know that they are safe. Okay, Busy Bus, let's keep checking, says Ben. He moves Busy Bus's stop arm right there. He turns on each light, on and off, click, clack, click, clack. Make sure everything is working. He inspects the emergency door, the fire extinguisher, and the first aid kit. Will the children have fun riding with me? Busy Bus wonders. He's thinking. We're almost finished, Busy Bus. Let's check your engine. Ben turns the key, and Busy Bus purrs like a kitten. Purr. Ben looks at the buttons and the gauges on the dashboard. He tries Busy Bus's wipers, the steering wheel, and the brakes. They all work. Honk! We already knew that your horn worked. Honk! Horn works, said Ben. Congratulations, Busy Bus. Everything is in tip-top shape. Let's go get the children. But Busy Bus isn't so sure. A little bit of jitters. What if I get homesick? He worries. What if I don't make any friends? I almost forgot, says Ben. And look, it's got Busy Bus. This is for you, Busy Bus. It's got his name tag right on top. Look, he's smiling again. He's not worried. Now Busy Bus is ready for his first day of school. He is safe. He is clean, and he is loved. He's got his name tag right there. There's the bus driver. Busy Bus is going to have a great year. And it says, welcome. And they're all going into school, and they're waving goodbye. And that's the end of our story, and it says, honk. I hope you guys liked that story. And it was okay for Busy Bus to be a little scared, but he worked through his fear. And he's ready to take the kids to school. So just like Busy Bus had his name on his bus, you guys are going to be able to practice by picking up a make and take here at Montpelier your name. So what I'll ask you guys to do is you'll get a bus. There's two pieces. There's the front end and the back end. And then we have windows. In each of the windows, you'll put a letter of your name. And I'm going to suggest that you write your name on your bus, mix up your pieces, and practice putting your name together. And once you get really good at that, you can make your entire bus. I started mine already. My first name is Heather, so I've had an H here, an E here, an A, and a T. And so far I've got them all taped up. The next letter of my name is another H, lowercase h, for Heather. And then I have an E. I'm gonna practice writing the lowercase e. You can have your parents help you too. And then an R for Heather. And so what I'm gonna do to finish off my craft, I'm gonna take my tape and I'm going to line up my bus windows just ever so gently. And the last letter was the final bus window for Heather. So everything is lined up. We've got our bus together, and now I'm just going to trim off the white pieces so then it looks like a bus. Cut off that part, and then we'll just be sure to trim off this part too. Just like Busy Bus. Although our name's on the windows, his is on the front. It's still a really nice way to celebrate our first day of school. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you enjoyed the story, and come on down and get your make and take here at the library. I was sure to type up all your directions on how to do our craft. Thank you.